2 together 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. We have 6 mustaches. We can also multiply 2 times 3. This means we add 3 together 2 times. We still get the same answer. We have 5 packs of silly glasses. Each pack has 3 glasses. How many do we have in all? Multiply 5 times 3. We can add 3 together 5 times. That's a lot of adding. It's easier to add 5 together 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. We have 15 silly glasses. You can use different ways to help you add a number over and over again. What other strategies can help you multiply? There are 5 packs of crayons. Each pack has 5 crayons. How many crayons are there all together? You can multiply 5 times 5, which is the same as adding 5 together 5 times. You can also draw pictures or skip count by 5s to find the answer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You can also use a 100 chart to get the answer. Start at 0 and go up by 5 a total of 5 times. There are 25 crayons. There are 3 packs of erasers. There are 4 in each pack. How many erasers are there in all? You can multiply 3 times 4 or add 4 plus 4 plus 4. You can use a number line to solve. Start at 0 and go up by 4 a total of 3 times. We have 12 erasers in all. I can't wait to play with all this stuff. Nice costume, Moby.
All right, so boys and girls, what we're going to do is take a look at the activity. Because one of the things to remember about multiplication is all you're doing is you're adding over and over again. And you're adding the same number over and over again. So if we take a look at the activity.
Activity. Start.
Okay, so let's say we're adding 4s, all right? We have a frog who's going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And that would give us 24 if we added those up. But a much faster way of doing that is to multiply. 4, because there are 4 in each jump, okay? And 6, because that's how many jumps he took. It doesn't say if he's jumping inches or feet. Let's say he's jumping feet. So each time he jumps 4, he's jumping 4 feet. If he jumps 4 feet 6 times, then he jumped 24 feet. All right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. 4 times 6 is 24. Now you guys have been studying your facts and hopefully starting to memorize them a little bit. But it's just a good reminder of what you're doing when you multiply. Okay, if you move to the next one, let's say Lily jumps 6 feet in each jump. All right, and each jump for 6 feet happens 3 times. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. Well, if you add that together, you will get 18. But a much easier way is to memorize your facts. We haven't gotten to 6s yet, but 6 times 3 would be 18. So really, multiplication is a way to do a job in a much faster way than adding. All right, you find your answer much more quickly if you multiply than if you add. Now, fives, which will be starting today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we can count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. But who wants to count by fives if you can just say 5 times 5 is 25? Okay, moving on to the next one. Let's say Silly jumps 2 times 8 feet each time. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, now we have 2 plus 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's say Jilly jumps 2 feet, and every time she jumps 2 feet, she's going to jump 2 feet 8 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8 times is 16. Or we could say 2 times 8 is 16. All right, so when you multiply, if you say 8 times 2 and 2 times 8, you'll get the same answer. You're just reversing the numbers. You're just flipping the numbers around. So boys and girls, for your practice today, I want you to copy the 5 times tables 3 times each, even if you know them. All right, I know that you might feel like you don't need to do it if you've been practicing. I'd like you to do it anyway, because every once in a while you get that one fact that you just can't quite remember, and this will help you with that. All right, boys and girls, remember that when you're multiplying, when you multiply by 0, your answer will always be 0. When you multiply by 1, it will be the same number. Okay, so those are 2 that make it a little bit easier. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great day today.